Nainggit kayo. Ano yung totoo niyan? Mas gusto ko na may balbas ako tsaka bigote. Balbas lang, bigote din. Mm. Hindi si chairman kausap ko. Kaya mamaya umaga, guest ni Lindsay ang Mojo Fly. So, kina-coordinate ko lang. Alam niyo naman ang papa niyo. Ito siya manager. Bagay, mami. Maaga. Friday po yun. Merlin, thank you. Di ba malalaman ko po bukas? Anong oras? Pero, alam ko po ano yan. 2 days yun. Pero hindi ko po alam kung anong oras ako nandun. Doon ako sure. Talaga ba? Marami activities doon, mami. May mga parap, mali, manalo ka. Tsaka, mami, may Battle of the Band, may Mojo Fly, ganyan. May cardiac pa sa Friday? Yes po. Kami ulit, doon ko magpunta sa booth. Kasi po yung participation ko po dun sa ano po, event, ay iba-vlog ko lang po. So, aalis din ako agad namin. Baka hindi na mag-abot. Looking good sa haircut mo. Actually, di ako sa ngayon. Kaya na nga pala, Binikara, may iba sa'yo popogi ka. Buha? So talaga yung balbas ako dito. That I like. Team Sabo, thank you Na-dead mo na naman yung lutong pagkain sa akin nila, Maricel. Busog. Kung nakarang araw din punta ako ng Green Hills, nagpunta ng POA. Pero ayaw kong kakainin araw-araw to kasi baka maumay ako. Ang hirap pamarap ng kapalit eh. There was a time I ate Burger King's plant-based burger every day. There was a time. Kinain ko araw-araw yung Dear Darla ng Yellow Cab. Naumay ako. Every interval, bawa, napaumay na ako sa, ang hirap maghanap ng kapalit. There was a time, araw-araw ko nagpupunta ng, filling station sa Makati para kumain ng alyo-olyo nila. Napagod ako, naumay ako. Although I still eat it, pinupuntahan ko pa siya para kainin. Pero hindi dating, it's no longer like I go there every day. Hindi na. Oo. So ayoko maumay sa, sa FOA kasi ang hirap maghanap ng kapalit dahil sobrang gusto ko siya. Ang pangalan Mai Tai, same company. Actually, same establishment siya, different doors lang. There was a time there was nothing when you found me. Alam niyo yan? The way we look tonight, the way Elton. I like this. I need to tell. Shops are closed already. I do not have a lot of friends that I can ask, diba, to go out and have coffee with me. Diba? So I'm almost always alone. Oo, diba? I'm almost always alone pag madaling araw. Kaya pag ganito, bawa, ito, nagla-live ako. Akala niyo diamonds yung habol ko dito. I'm thankful ako na binibigyan niyo akong diamonds. But more than that, you make it worthwhile for me to stay up. Kasi, alam niyo ba, ang tulog ko, alas 7, pa na umaga, alas 6. Diba? So, ang hirap. Ang hirap. No. Kaya, pag kumakain ako, sige, imagine niyo to ha. Tama kami, Arlene. Morning, baby. Imagine niyo kumakain ako nang wala kayo sa harapan. Sige, lagay yung sarili niyo sa akin. Coming from a work, yes, kanina po, nag-gym po ako. Legs po kanina. Imagine you coming from a work that's bright, people go to the booth, ang daming tao, may kausap ka, masaya, and then boom, you go home and zero. With no one beside me. Di ba? Imagine nyo yung pakiramdam. Kaya alam nyo yung mga although ako, para sabihin nyo, may depression si Papa Jackson, wala akong depression. Pero minsan, may mga araw na malungkot kasi, ano nangyayari? Kanina lang, I've got so much people around me to talk with. Ngayon, alone. Kaya maraming mga yung mga sumisikat na nadidepress kasi ramdam nila yung contrast. Yun talaga yun eh. Ramdam nila yung contrast na from spotlight on stage with people cheering your name and then when you go home, alone. Ang hirap nun, guys. Kaya pag celebrity ka, dapat malakas ka dito. Oo. Next time, Banji, pag celebrity ka, malakas ka dapat dito. Kasi, pag mahina to, mamamagnify yung yung pagiging alone mo. Diba? Oo. Kaya ako malaking bagay na may mga aso ako. Speaking of which, pinalabas ko sila. Pasukin ko na kasi pinakain sila. Wait lang. Pasok na. Coco, uwi na. Coco, ayaw. Sino si Beverly? Sino? Ikaw si Beverly. Tama ka, Mami. Same with OFW, kaya din na namin hanapin kayo lalo. Yeah, I understand. Ate Irene. Imagine nyo ako, ha? Lalo pag may stage, alam mo, galing ako sa event, siyempre people would cheer your name, people would celebrate you, so you go home, mag-isa ka, tapos you look at your phone book at walang gising, wala ka makausap, malungkot guys, sobra. Oo, kaya kapag celebrity ka o may pangalan ka, malakas dapat to. Kung mahina to guys, susuko. Kaya maraming nadidepress. Yun talaga yun. Kasi hindi mo pang hihinayangan yung isang bagay na never ka nagkaroon eh. Ngayon, pag may crowd ka na, di ba? Tapos bigla mawawala yun kasi hindi ka na sikat or what na. Ang hirap nung guys. Talaga na ito. Anyway, si Beverly bagong gupit, andun. Dinidilaan ni Coco. Si Beverly bagong gupit po. Mukha siyang sayote yung binalatan ngayon. Ayun si Coco, dinidilaan niya. Magkasundo po si Beverly at si Coco. Hindi ko kasi madampot si Beverly kasi ayaw niya kinakarga siya. Kaya hindi ko siya madampot. Ito po si Mushroom. Kiss. I'm okay, kiss. I'm okay, kiss. I'm losing everything. Hello daw, Mushroom. Boy, if I did the big house where we both could live. Salt and pepper. Buti pa yung aso niya mga Banji, may connection sa bawat isa. Di ba? Mushroom and Coco, parang layo. Oo, sa kanila. Hindi dahil ayoko ng aso, kung hindi I had 4 dogs already. I think I did not have the space anymore to care for another 1 or 2 more. So binigay niya sa akin yan. So hindi totoong aso niya po. Si Coco, binigay niya pareha sa akin yan. Okay, 2 yan dumating sa akin. Yun talaga yan. After several days na lang, sinabi niya, akin niya pala isa. Dalawa po yan, akin yan. So what happened was, naka-cage na maliit yan. Mga sinlaki lang ng bag na to yata yun, ang liliit nila. Tapos binigay niya sa akin. Tapos ako parang, oh my God. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo ba what it takes to raise dogs? And I don't have the room anymore. Parang ganon. Sumiyak siya. Di ba umiyak siya, nalungkot siya, but she was teary-eyed. So, ako matigas sa bato ako eh. Kaya bato man tawag niya sa akin. Wala akong pakialam. Not that I didn't care, but it's just that, ano gagawin ko? Wala nga space for another dog. So what I did was, I took the dogs, yan, si Mushroom, at si Coco, hindi ko sila hinawakan. Kasi alam ko na pag hinawakan mo ang aso, ma-attach na ako. So hindi ko hinawakan. Hindi dumapo ang kamay ko sa kanila. I asked yung kasama ko sa bahay, sabi ko, dalhin mo sa vet. Stay sila doon. And then I will decide. Sabi ko, dalhin mo sa vet, and then I will just decide after. So yun ang kwento niyan. Tinala ko sa vet, lahat ng check-up pinagawa ko. Baka may magkaampong pang iba. Ganyan yun nasa utak ko nun eh. Bibigay ko para at least kahit paano na na-check up na, pina-enjigan ko na. So nagpunta sa vet. Tapos nung finally 2 days na nandun sa vet yan, si Coco sa si Mushroom. Nung finally kinuha ko na, kinarga ko si Coco sa si Mushroom. Automatic, pagkarga ko. Sabi ko, pusang gala, aso ko na sila. Ngayon, hindi niya makuha-kuha. Nihiramin. Palagay mo, aso mo si Coco, hindi totoo yan. Aso ko silang dalawa. Huwag tayo maglokohan sa part na yan. Alam niya kasi na ang aso yung weakness ko, but I like dogs. Pag may aso sa labas, actually pag nagda-drive po ako, mami, at may mga asong patawid, I always say, anak tabi. I call every dog is anak. Kaya nung hihiramin niya. Galit ka, Bel, kung maka-exclamation point ka. Drowning in your eyes, I'm floating out to sea, helpless on the restless tide that flows between. Hiram. Tama, hiram. GK said kanya si Coco, sabi niya. Ano si Coco? Ang kapatid mo? Iniwan ka na ng kapatid mo. Mas gusto niya si Beverly. Si Beverly na mas gusto niya. Si Beverly na mas gusto niya. Beverly? Ayaw niya sa'yo? Ayaw niya sa'yo? Si Beverly na best friend niya? Naman. Wala na yung best friend niya. Si Coco, si Beverly. Ayaw mo ni Coco eh. Nandun siya sa kabilang kwarto eh. Ginagroup niya si Beverly. Ayaw niya sa'yo? Kawawa. Ayaw na sa'yo? Ayaw nga. Sa'yo ikit-ikit ka pa. Tawagin natin. Uwi ka na. Tutapos si Mushroom. Galing. Ayan, maglalambigin na sila. Ano yan? Ha? Bakit si Beverly ginugrom mo? Ha? Ba't mo ginugrom sa Beverly? Ayaw mo na kay Kuya Mushroom mo? Beverly ng best friend mo? Ha? Maghapon mo tagulog mo sa Beverly, ha? Maghapon mo dinidilaan yung tainga, ha? Maghapon? Ha? Maghapon mo dinidilaan siya, no, Beverly? Sige, nandun ka na. Floating out to sea, helpless on a restless tide that flows between you and hindi nakaget daw.
The promo video for it by the place, but it was 5 albums. On the dole, on my own, pretty lonely. And I fell on the. I was living in a bedsit in South waiting for it.
There's one thing that you love about it. We are going to go from recycling items to a gorgeous film about music. This is how a Beverly Craven ballad became an anthem for couples all across the country.
Wait for me, 'cause I'll be saving all of love.
So, but you've never been back here since that day? God, that's nearly 30 years ago. No, I haven't been back. Beverly Craven's Promise Me was released back in 1990 and hit the charts a year later. The promo video for it was shot here at Didcot Railway Station. We got here at something like 5 o'clock in the morning in the hopes of catching a lovely sunrise, but it was kind of grey like this.
Since then, Beverly has released 5 albums, had 3 children, and endured 2 bouts of breast cancer.
Oh
Wow. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, the sentiment was all about going away and someone waiting for you. I was living in a bedsit in South London, on the dole, on my own, pretty lonely.
no.
And I fell in love with this guy, and he just sort of smashed my heart, really, But he has been responsible for a few songs, so it's been worth it.
Absolutely. I mean, it kind of gave you your big break, really.
Yes.
Aww.
And I bet he regrets it now. I remember sitting in my little bedsit, starting to play the intro. And thinking, ooh, that sounds like something Elton John might play. Took it into the record company. They said, fantastic, we'll release it as the first single. And I thought, oh my God, that's my career in tatters. Coming out of the 80s into the 90s, there was nothing like it in the charts.
But the world was on the verge of change. A month after Promise Me was released, the first Iraq War broke out. British troops were sent in. Promise Me struck a chord with soldiers and their loved ones, and became one of the most requested tracks on British Forces radio.
Aww.
At the time, DJ Ernie was simply Elaine Rowe and was living on a military base.
Former wife myself. Are you? Husband went off to the Gulf War in Germany.
Promise
And I was one of those
me,
people
wait for me.
requesting.
And every time I think of her,
I'm glad that you have that. We don't know the underlying reasons. Paano kung 3 hours na pala sila? Nakikipagpicturean doon sa loob, kung saan sila galing. Paano kung ano ba, 3 hours na silang nakipag-deal with fans. And then, paglabas nila ng venue, there were like little, small number of fans na hindi nila pansin. Do we judge them for that? Diba? I mean, honestly, I don't know. Alam nyo, sinausawan na to ng maraming personalities and I don't get it. Oh, I don't get it. I'll give you a revelation. Dami sumasaw dito. Sa sa issue na to. Alam niyo ba isa sa mga sumausaw ang dami tayo, isa sa mga sumausaw dyan sa issue na yan na hindi namamansin, kinawayan ko din dati, hindi ako pinansin. Eh, kung pinost mo siya nun, totoo, hindi niya ako pinansin. Ano yun? O di pareho kanila. Diba? Anak, ano yan? Coco, malas ka dyan. Totoo. Isa sa mga sumali sa issue na yan, I vividly remembered, asabay ko sa isang kainan, I said the hi. Tinignan lang niya ako. Oh. And I understood. Naintindihan ko ng time na yun. Bakit? Baka pagod. Baka not in the mood. Baka pinagdadaanan. Baka for that person, ayokong i-confirm, babae o lalaki. But baka for that person, it's a private time. Diba? Ako, marami ako di pinapansin pag pagod ako. Ano yun? Malaki din ulo ko? Hindi naman lahat ng panahon at pagkakataon di ba? Kayang magbigay ng attention na isang celebrity or personality. Hindi, not every time. Hindi ng katotohanan yan. Ako, generally, pag nakita niyo ako, totoo to ha, pag nakita niyo ako sa labas, makulit ako. I say hi, machiga ako, diba, makukulit mo ako, pero that's 90% of the time. What happens to that other 10%? You're gonna hate on me because I was one of those people na sumausaw. I was like, the hypocrisy. I saw this person, isang kainan. I said hi. Tinignan lang niya ako. Never said anything to me. Just looked at me as if I did not exist. Diba? To be honest with you, even if you tell me na baka hindi ka nakilala, number one, kahit naman siguro pa paano, sa Pilipinas, recognizable naman yung mukha ko. O pagpalagay mo ng ordinaryo tao ko, nagaya mo eh. Right on your face, I said hi. Di ba ko pinansin? And here you are. Di ba? And here you are. Like, nakikialam mo sa issue na you yourself is guilty with. I was like, wow. The hypocrisy talaga, oh. Totoo. Parang, oh my God. Talaga ba? Pasali ka dyan. Yeah. I was like, so tao lang. Parang, what? Totoo ba? Spill mo na gender lang. No. Hindi ako, alam mo, dati siguro gagawin ko yan. But ngayon, that's the last thing I want to do. Magkaroon ng kawaas sa industriya. So I will not tell you. Clue. Uy, Chesera, no. Kaya talagang, the hypocrisy talaga. Luglugo. Talaga ba? Now you have an opinion about this. But I remember, I said hi to you. Sa isang kainan, sa Green Hills. Diba? Oh. Diba? I said hi to you sa kainan sa Green Hills. You looked at me. I said hi, and you just looked at me as if I did not exist. And now gusto ko na may maaalala ka na pag-usapan natin. Ganyan eh. Alam mo, that's what I strive for every time. I want to be an experience to other people. And I want people to experience me na magaan. So that's why when you come to me, when you go to the booth, I always make daldal. Nakikipagkwentuhan ako, ganun. Everything. I try to do everything. Diba? Oh. mahirap akong pagurin sa ganyan. Di ba? Oo, kasi, thank you, Mami Evangeline. Nahihiya ako na ayoko na mamaya pumunta ka sa akin, maisip mo, napaka-timid naman nito, napaka-reserve, di ba? But that's 90% of the time. What happens to the 10% of the time? Ano mangyayari doon? Eh di walang iya pala ako. Tapos nakalimutan mo na yung 10. Paano pag yung 10% of the time hindi talaga ako okay? Na di ba, I'm not really in the mood to reciprocate attention. Paano yun? And the same scenario applies to these players, to these athletes. Kaya nga sila daming fans because they have been accommodating fans ng matagal na panahon. Kaya nga sila Diba? Panoorin nga natin. Let's watch it.
Ay naman. Oh, hindi na. Wait. Hi, Boss D. Just say hi. Yeah, here's her. Hey, Sylvia, come here.
As if may sinabi sa kanya. Yes, anak. Ano ba yun? Ba't ka ba? O, sige, doon ka na. O. Go ahead. O, diyan ka. O. Will remind you. Yeah? Maalala niyo sa akin. Pag-usapan natin ito. Ay, pusa. Promise me you wait for me and I'll be saying no. When we climb and climb and up the top we fly and the world go on below us. We are lost in time, and I don't know what it really means. In my dreams, we climb. So yeah, that's my take. Mr. Lalan GK, I think ma-operahan po yata. They were waiting for the clearance po from the cardiologist. Kasi pag ganong edad kasi, they have to wait for clearance na doon sa cardiologist na it's okay to operate on yung kay Lolo. Yeah. Yun. Guys, matutulog na ako ha. I thank you. No, at least nasabi ko sa inyo na, you know, moments like this, golden sa akin. I appreciate it when you know, you're here, you spend hours, kausap nyo ako, di ba, nagkakwentuhan tayo, di ba, na-appreciate ko to, kasi ito yung mga, these are the things that I treasure most. Mami Evangeline, thank you as always. No? Opo. Na-appreciate ko rin sobra to. Ay. Alright. Bye-bye, guys. You remind me tomorrow, right? You remind me of what I really... Bye-bye. Morning. At ayaw ma-end. Parang ayaw pa niya akong patapusin. Ayun, no? Ayaw ma-end. What happened? Ayaw ma-end, guys. Hala, ayaw ma-end. Nag-flying kiss lang ako. Ano ba yan? Walang ang kiss. Ano ba yan? Tika nga, ano nangyayari sa amin? Hala. Ayaw na rin ma-end. Oh my goodness. What happened? Hindi nag-hang. Nakababasa niya. Babasa ko kayo eh.